Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Thokchom Satyabrata has appealed to media fraternity in the state to take utmost caution while publishing report which could inflame unrest. The speaker said this while attending the 58th Foundation Day celebration of Manipur Press Club at the club's premises in Mejokul today. IPR and Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Thangwaiban MLA Kumukcham Joykishan, President of All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amju Bijoy Kakching Tabam, President of Editors Guild Manipur EGM Kogendra Komdram, along with journalists from various media houses attended the program. As part of the observance, floral tributes were also offered at the Journalists Memorial Pillar, remembering departed journalists. Journalist awards were also presented on the occasion. Speaking further in the program, Speaker Thokchom Satyabrata said, journalists have a big role to play during the ongoing crisis in the state. He appealed to journalists to be objective, accountable and maintain factual accuracy while also assuring every possible assistance to Amju.
Manipur Press Club na tawhiba ababa thaba thengnakiba awaba kaya amadum maduna samaj kani ton ne hamna chimosi fajana pe ko ni thopiraga mayam da khan bi usmo thota na loje man show da mayam na thaba khud khuba thawai haba chili mayam ji kainte yu bi da long le supiyete akhoi mayam si tawre Manipur si mayna level of the bukhana hanu matanda akhoi si tawre am doi Manipur Press Club my guiding on the Tambi, they are no idea in the object. I saw that there was one me would say, but guiding, I don't mean that me would say, going to say me with the pay. Meaning they are not gave more and then I would say you was better than the kind.
Status, Sati Purok by Sinat Manuboy, other Sati Purok, give me and the Bomissina, Yay, Colum Tabi, you have a building, told me. Quite those story. With the rule me absolutely with the press council with the other people rule lady. I think not the night by all Manipur Working Journalists Union local adjustment and shame that way. A single party Pungi and a single party Pungi at the kind of question. How you was even non-state actors in Muna with Tinagra program. Hanging at the Bangang by other, but saying in the position in the kind of belief with the other person. When a singing. Sana Budunga, Sahina Nakwestida, Sahi Kumonjo Presida, Manipur Press Club, she will get happy or here among some Kini here and where I'm not happy to see what I said, Hegala Kini and Habisi, and Tamsaki.